Hello, guys. I welcome you all to the Chartmojo new series where we will now discover some interesting facts about the market, interesting theories which goes on into the market. We will also discover some asset class. We will compare those with the Indian market. We will, also deep dive into some of interesting stock which have shown some kind of a peculiar behavior. Sometimes they repeat themselves, and we will discover many more such things which will help you to learn more and which will also help you to make good decisions in the market so that when if you are investing, if you are trading, I think what we will now give you every week that will help you all to make a better decision. So, guys, as you have seen the title, today we are discussing about whether we should invest or whether we should continue Nifty SIP or Nifty ETF. Why we are making this video? Because whenever the markets are at new high, we hear the chatter that it's been near about 18,500, 18,400. Let's stop or wait for market to come down, or we will, book our profit. Okay, and interestingly, we were listening that Nifty decoupled from Dow. Okay. So today in this video, what we will do, we will see Nifty chart vis-a-vis Dow chart, and we'll try to find out whether we can take advantage of this decoupling or not. So let us go to the charts and we will see what we can discover. So, friends, now let us see what Dow and Nifty is showing us. Okay, so if you see the chart, I have already marked the charts here. You can see I marked circle where we are seeing some decoupling happening. Okay, and especially when there is a move, when Dow moves up. Okay, at that time Nifty should also move up. If the Dow is moving on a downside and Nifty is showing a sideways behavior, which means there is some strength in Nifty, and also it shows us a decoupling. There are certain scenario on the charts where Dow is going up but Nifty is on a sideways trajectory. So let me mark from 1991. Let us go through the initial phase. Here we can see Nifty gaining approximately 350% from 1991 till 1992 mids. Okay, here we have already achieved near about 350% return. Okay, after that what we see in Nifty is a time consolidation. Okay, so guys, those who don't know about consolidation, okay, you can watch our technical analysis series. In Dow theory, I have mentioned about sideways behavior, time wise consolidation. Okay, so for a quick revision for you all, sometime markets give us a sideways consolidation. Basically, it's a time consolidation where market waits for its fundamental to catch up. Okay, so right now in the chart we can clearly see Dow is rising from 1995. Okay, you can see this one way upside move. Okay, but then you will see in Nifty, you will ask, sir, it is clearly showing a flat move. Okay, why? Because in 1991 till 1992 mid, we have already achieved 350% return, near about 350% return. On the other hand, if I see Dow chart from 1991 till 2000, okay, we have achieved 350% return. Okay, so because of running very fast, Nifty have already achieved those target and is now waiting for the fundamental to catch up. Now if we see certain emerging market, we definitely see this kind of scenario where developing markets really far-fetched. They will surely give us a move which are way beyond their valuation. Okay, so same thing happened. Nifty gave a very good rise near about 350%, and then a time wise consolidation. Now I want you all to focus when Dow is making lower low and lower high, but Nifty is making a sideways move, especially in this scenario. Okay, why we are focusing this? Because Nifty and Dow are positively correlated, which means if Dow will go up, Nifty should also go up. In the current example, I am looking at the scenario where Dow is going down but Nifty is sideways. I have rejected certain scenario where Dow is sideways, Nifty is sideways, then that won't matter much. Also, when Dow is going down, okay, and Nifty is going down, then that is also a perfectly correlated, okay, positively correlated, okay. But a certain scenario like Dow is going up, Nifty is sideways, which I have already given you the explanation, because market run up very fast. That's why we go into the time wise consolidation. Okay. So let us focus on this move where lower low and lower highs are formed on Dow, and in Nifty it is a sideways consolidation. First circle I have marked, which we have seen in 2003. Nifty was taking support of a very good support zone of approximately 10 years. Nifty has formed where Dow was making lower low, lower high. Once Dow again started upside journey, Nifty too followed, and we can see a massive bull run from 2003 till 2008. Okay, after that we can see financial crisis hitting the market, and we can see a sharp fall. Okay, here also if I move my cursor, okay, we can see Nifty made bottom ahead of Dow. We can clearly see lower low, lower highs in Dow, okay, forming up, whereas Nifty was showing us a sideways consolidation, which means same low, same high in the small area. Okay, after that Dow was able to recover, and similarly Nifty also similarly followed the Dow, and we can see a very sharp rise as well from the lower consolidation, which we see on the second circle which I have drawn here. Now if we see, there is a lag between breakout in Nifty considering Dow breakout of lifetime high, or we can say pre-global financial highs. Okay, this. If we see certain fundamental data near about in 2012 to 2013, okay, 13 mids, we can see India clearly falling into the fragile five economy. We can see inflation was high at that time. RBI was trying to control the inflation. Crude prices were sustaining near about $120 at that time. And we can see those pressure as well. Also, our forex reserve at time was falling. It fell near about, it fell near about 15 to 20% at that time from the peak. That's why there was kind of a lag. But if Dow was showing a upside movement and Nifty was showing a downside movement, which then it would have conveyed that Dow's positive correlation is turned into a negative correlation. This means if Dow is going up, Nifty is going down. Okay, that we are not able to see in this chart. Okay, where Dow is going up, which means higher higher low on the Dow chart and lower high lower low on the Nifty chart. Now if we see the third circle which I have made, here also Nifty made a low way ahead of Dow. It was a quite small time where the market decoupled. Okay, we can clearly see Nifty making this low. I will zoom little bit now. Okay, I can clearly see Nifty had made a low way ahead than Dow. Okay, 3 months, 2 months prior than Dow. And then we can see a fall here. Okay, this was a kind of 15 to 18% fall from the high. And here we can see it was again a sideways, then election was there. After that, pandemic hit. We can see perfectly Dow going down, Nifty going down. Now the interesting part is current scenario which we are facing. See, Nifty, this is a sideways consolidation. We can clearly see Nifty is showing us a sideways consolidation. Let me zoom this. And Dow was showing a lower low, lower high formation, which means, as we can see, certain scenario where Nifty was sideways, and when Dow tried to give a breakout, Nifty was then clearly giving us a new high at that time. Now in the third circle which I have made, this is the scenario where Dow also gave a muted move upside, Nifty also gave a muted move on an upside. Okay, right now if we see a very good consolidation on Nifty and Dow, both have played very well. And a topic why we are discussing this, Nifty was decoupled, we can clearly see, and right now Dow is catching up. Okay, and the day Dow crosses 36,000 level, we can see Nifty making a very sharp upside move. Also, we have already corrected. Okay, we have not corrected in such a way that our market are not touching pre-pandemic high level, which means this was a clear time-wise correction on Nifty which we have faced. So guys, if someone wants to invest in Nifty ETF because someone tries to time the market, if market goes down then we will buy the Nifty ETF. So basically you can continue your SIP, you can still make fresh position. Someone who is young want to invest in Nifty can definitely invest at this time also, because we are a developing economy and we can clearly see we definitely have a positive relation with Dow. But when Dow fall excessively, we stop. Okay, at that time SIP will do wonders and we can see a clearly good gains once our economy again fires all the cylinders. So guys, the motto for this video was to clearly tell you that someone think that now the markets are at all time high 18,000 again it has touched. In the past 1 year, market has always trying to go down from 18,200 18,400 level. So let me not put my SIP this time. Okay, now this topic arised because we always like to time the markets, and it feel good that we can do so. It's just a mental kick, but it's very much evident that Nifty has gone through a time wise correction and we are now very much giving the signal, the markets are giving the signal that we will see soon lifetime high in the coming months. So yeah, you can continue the SIPs in Nifty, and even someone is new in the market can make fresh investments. Okay. So guys, as we have seen in the video, okay, we know that generally it's a fact that India is a growing market and we should definitely invest in a market. But we made this video to show with some data, as you have seen, that whenever Dow is falling down and Nifty was able to stand still, then there is a high chance that we will definitely shoot up again when Dow reverses. So this connects the dot that even if we are very bullish on our fundamental, we are now also getting signal from the technical side. So I hope you would have found our content worthwhile. If you like our video, do share with your friend and don't forget to subscribe our channel. So take care, and we will now meet on next Wednesday where we will upload a new video discovering some new topics.